Hey, everybody. So, a friend of mine, Eric, has an invite only marketing firm, which is super cool, called Vosa. So, you can find them over at vosa.co on the interwebs. But the reason that I mention this at all is because he's put out a challenge to other content creators called the Auth66 challenge. The purpose is to create content with real value and no pitches. So the videos themselves are point and shoot, which is what you've got right now, except for I've muddled out my background because I still have the dog cage back here, and he has graduated out of the doggy cage, so yay for that. But point being, these are point and shoot, no fancy editing. So challenge accepted. Here I am. So I hope you'll follow along through the month, maybe learn something or ask some questions so that we can all learn together. So right, awesome. So on with the first video. As you probably know, October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and each year is themed. This year's theme is Secure Our World, and the powers that be have decided to focus in on passwords, MFA, phishing, and keeping your software updated. So I'm going to add some data protection to that list because if you don't protect your data and your users can just send it out into the world like Dobby with a brand new sock, none of that is going to matter. So each week, I'm going to be talking about each of those areas of focus, starting with the data protection piece tomorrow. And data protection is control number 3 for those of you that follow CIS. For those of you that have no idea what CIS is, the short answer is that it's a prioritized set of actions designed to protect an organization and its data from cyber attacks. It's also one of the GRC, or governance, risk, and compliance frameworks. So you're probably familiar with things like HIPAA, PCI, or even CJIS compliance. It's a framework kind of like that. So with these videos, I'm going to be releasing some ebooks, some policies, some helpful infographics, anything that you can use in your business. So you're going to see those coming. And if you'd like the content delivered to you at the end of the week in a nice little newsletter form, everything all summed up, all of the little links right in there, there is a link in this particular video, or actually in the text at the top of this, that you can sign up for the newsletter, and I'll be more than happy to kick it out to you like that. Otherwise, I am going to see you all back here tomorrow, and we're going to talk about your data, how to secure it in a way that makes sense for your organization, and everything else that I feel like talking about that day. So that's it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow. And again, this is that Auth66 challenge. You're going to see that with hashtag Auth66. Thanks, Eric. I think. See you tomorrow.